Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to today's stream. Yayko! Hey, hello there. How you doing today? It's just you? Yeah, well, yeah, I know. You don't have to break my dreams. It's drinking night? What are you drinking? I'm gonna go on a limb and say you're drinking either beer or sake. Beer, yeah, I thought so. You're broke. Well, there is cheap sake, so I have excellent news today. And yeah, I have excellent news. Actually, I wonder if I can put that in. Let me see. I'm gonna put that in a capture and put that on the Discord. I got a $10 pack of beers. They must taste awful. Which is 5 beer cans? $2 a beer can! Jeez! Alright, time to get beer bottle free. Hey Dex! Welcome back! And congratulations on getting your game's demo Steam certified. 2 hours until VR chat rave. VR chat rave. Oh, I'm guessing you're joining a VR chat event then. If I if you want, I can bring you on. Not today. Not today. Today I I do not have the energy to. It's 4 hours for DJs. You're making me want to go, but not today. I don't have the energy to do VR today. Actually, I do not have the energy to do gaming. Check the newsletter, the display board on the Discord. Signal is a rare event after all. My avatar has tattoos for each time I want. Oh, okay. First of all, the fact that you put tattoos on your avatar because of stuff you do is sick as hell. And how rare is Signal? Is it like once a year or something? What do you mean, when is your payment? The hell are you saying to me? It's when is your payment? What did you do? This time it has a 2 month time distance. Mm, hmm. Nah, not today. Nah, I don't have enough energy in me to actually do VR today. Even well, when you will start your stream, I don't know when will I stop streaming, but I'll come on yours. We're probably gonna raid you at the end. So I'll see for myself, and if the next one is in 2 months, then so be it. I'll do VR at this occasion then. You're welcome, Geek. When is my payment for being a dedicated viewer and a beautiful person? Thanks for agree. Also finished a new song where I managed to rhyme German with French. How the hell do you rhyme two words that do not rhyme? And yet, unless you replaced Ger with Fre and man with Shin, you are not making German rhyme with French. German words with French words. Oh, you should have said that. Okay, I get it. That's actually okay. If you manage to do that, that's actually pretty impressive. It. Well, technically, the verse is German, fresh English, German in rhyme rhyme. Hey, just the fact that you managed to put all of those languages in one verse is pretty sick, honestly. Like, I really have trouble imagining even anywhere something that listens to anywhere near good in a single language. So, Yako, no. Okay, so today's stream, that's something I wanted to do. Well, I was doing that yesterday already. I was tinkering on my own stream setup, so since I didn't want to skip on a stream day, I just streamed the process. Uh, so the text that you have in front of you right now on my notepad is the text that you can actually see at the scroll bar at the top of the screen. Now I only have those 6 links. This is the one I've added earlier. And I've been trying to look at other things I could put in that scroll line, and I'm not sure what yet. Check out those indie games. I'm adding the command games to my. Actually, you know what? Scratch this. Indie games. Both commands will work. Let me see that. Commands, help, indie game. Good. Okay. Actions, indie game. Get commands, group games, variable name games. Um, check out those uh, indie games that I support. Okay. 1 second. Now I can see. Check out those indie games that I support, and I have this one here. Did I put the... Yes, I did put the YouTube version of that command. Good. Hydrate. You're right. Where is my bottle of water? I don't have water. I have juice. That'll be good enough. Hmm. Indie games, yes. The games that I have are Out of Action, East of Eden. Actually, I may play some East of Eden later tonight. After, if I run out of stuff to do about my stream setup or just get sick of it, then I will play some East of Eden. It's the one game I haven't. No, scratch it. I didn't stream Beyond Frontiers either. I will at some point. I probably will before your demo go live, Dex. Maybe. And I wanted to change something. Right, I wanted to change something on the this. Try fishing in the bucket. Because it's compatible with YouTube. So if someone goes on YouTube and tries this command, it will work as well. At least that's the theory. I actually wonder if it will work. Could someone try to go on the YouTube stream and run the bucket command? Okay, check out those indie games. Could someone also try? Wait, what? Could someone try to run the games command? I could run it myself, but I need to make sure that when a viewer does it, it check the yes, good. Okay. Okay, that does what I wanted to do. It does. Okay, deletes the message. Yeah, it deletes the command. The annoying thing is that it shows when it's deleting the. Note, I will not stream Signal due to some avatars in there being highly not safe for Twitch. Oh, okay. Well, if you want to, you could stream in my Discord. I think you should be able to stream in the Discord. If you go in the stage category, that's below the forum hall. There's the forum hall with all of the text channels. If you go to the stage category, there is the streaming 1 and streaming 2 channels. Since you have the streaming, already have a Discord stream plan with the community. Oh, okay. Can I join? Yako, please stop stealing Dex money. I at least trying to. Why do you, okay, if you are broke, why are you spending $100 on Space Marine 2? Ultra Edition, I believe. I don't know what I expected. I saved that specially for it. Oh, okay. All my accounts are negative this month. Put everything into the demo marketing. Okay. Also, I've cranked up my upward compressor on my voice. It should make me sound better now. Because I've been listening to some of my VODs, yeah, through YouTube, and I couldn't be heard really well, which, bummer. So you sound French. Well, yeah, I know. I can't do nothing about that. No. Ha ha ha. Um, yeah, could someone go to the YouTube stream and try the bucket command? I do not know if it works. Delete Twitch message. Duplicate. No. Duplicate. And I want it to do YouTube. And this bit of code. CH Twitch delete message. You gotta link it. I don't want to go searching for the channel while I'm writing another banger song. It's not in the about of the channel. You should be able to see it below in my channel description. Well, actually, where is the share YouTube live? Crap. You are on half of my second screen. Now I gotta scroll. Geeks so important to Dex. Yes, thank you, Dex, for making me a priority to you. Let me scroll through the documentation for StreamerBot because I want to edit this bit of code that should allow me to repurpose it to delete YouTube messages. Uh, wait, actually, no, let me message my buddy who did this. Oh, hello there. Welcome to the YouTube stream. So, YouTube stuff. Oh, no, 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 no. I know who you are. Were you in the IT channel this morning? Who was it? Networking? I know who you are. Let me recall you. So, uh, beer cans. What? No. No, subnetting. Subnetting it was. Shit. Soggy Dolphin? Is that you? Wait, what? You have a YouTube channel for your game, Dex? I mean, you can switch through many of my channels. Oh, okay. I see. That's interesting. Good night, Yako. See you next time. Have fun. One day you'll be playing my songs on stream. They're CC0 copyright free. Good. Very good. Thank you. Crap. I just realized that I hope I didn't. Your audio buffer is having an underrun again. What do you mean? What is an underrun? You don't hear the music breaking? Well, no, because the music is also on my end. So I don't... Let me try to update the bitrate. Is it breaking on YouTube or Twitch? It's been an ongoing problem with you and those of both. I honestly have no idea why it does that. Let me see what I can do. If I go in the settings, audio settings, YouTube, I'm gonna set it to 192 bitrate. Which one I should use, AAC or Opus for the audio encoder? By default, it's AAC. It's only the music channel. If you're streaming at 441 kilohertz and the music is 4, it will cause buffer underruns. Oh. Well, I couldn't tell. Let me check. Properties. Advanced audio properties. You clipped it? Okay. Thank you. Um, I do not have a clue. Settings. Stream audio output. Oh, right. Right. Yeah, I excluded the music from the VODs. Audio, desktop audio, it's disabled. Yeah, general sample rate is 48 kilohertz. Let me check if the YouTube app I'm using is playing playback. General. Let me see. Is there a way for me to have information about what's going on? Stats. Doesn't seem to have any significant issues, so I couldn't tell you what's going on. Well, I can hardly read more than even half of the stats because some of the stuff is not readable for me. As in, I have no idea what they mean. But essentially, audio buffer is struggling to keep up with the hertz. Yeah. Well, the stream is at 48 kilohertz. It occasionally starts skipping to clear the buffer for a few minutes. And then after it cleared, the buffer runs it fine again. Is it running fine now? Oh, okay. I frankly have no idea why it does that. Also, for some reason, you're not counted as a viewer again. Go figure out why. Also, you didn't do what I told you to do. You didn't do the bucket command on the YouTube stream. Hey, you've actually fished your own stream. That's actually hilarious. On the first try, even. Okay, it works. Try running it again. Just to make sure that it is actually random. Is a game developer? Okay, that's weird. It gave you the same welcome to the channel message. Okay, that's weird. It should not do that with every message. No. Yes. Let me see that. Bot detect. Oh, okay. No, it's not Alzheimer's. It's because yeah. Okay. I know why. YouTube detect. Actually, I'm surprised it does that. It doesn't do that on YouTube. No, that's actually the problem that it does on YouTube. It doesn't do that on Twitch. On Twitch, it works fine. Okay. What seems to be the problem? Is it doing that on YouTube but not Twitch? If it doesn't equal game word, okay. If it's function is not equal true. Oh, did I remove the first message part? Action cues. Action is 3. Bot detect. YouTube message. First word. Maybe it's called first word, maybe it's called differently. But greet me when I agree that Cheiko should get beer from. Shut up. With ads. Okay. Um. No, that's not. What's your message? Source Twitch chat message. Okay. Should be the next one. Okay. This is where where the info should be. Podcast privacy, podcast status, message ID, message part, emote count, published user, trigger ID, trigger name, action ID, action name. Hmm. Okay, so for some reason, YouTube messages do not have a first message trigger. Also, your music only plays on the Twitch side today, and that's a near mute stream. Wait, I can't be heard on the YouTube stream? Only your voice? Okay. Good. Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to be played. I don't want the music to be played on the stream because I don't want to risk a copyright strike. I already have trouble getting rid of all the musics from a VOD that has musics when I accidentally forget to remove the audio source from it. So it doesn't have a first word trigger. Okay. Well, seems like I need to do a small but detect duplicate. I'm gonna remove this, but detect copy. No, I need to copy that. Copy subaction, but detect. Remove message. Enable the trigger. I'm gonna remove the first word here. But detect. Right. Okay. That should be good enough. Save just in case. YouTube first message. So if you chat on YouTube, it should only do something when it is a true first message because it is on the first word trigger. Okay. And now if you try to run the bucket message again, the bucket command again. Right, I need to update that. Wait, no, did he change his name? No, it's still price mode. Okay. I spot a planking? What do you mean? What is a planking? I have no idea what that is. Should be good. Planking, putting a space between the last letter of a word and a comma. Question mark, question mark. Oh, that's just how we do stuff in French. We put a space between the last word and the punctuation. Wait, no. Okay, if it's a full stop, we do not. If it's a comma, we do not. But exclamation mark and question mark, we do put a space between the word and those. YouTube description. YouTube timeout, YouTube set privacy, YouTube set metadata description, set category, remove tags. Right, we have tags on YouTube. I forgot about that. Remove tags, YouTube get monitored broadcast, get latest, get bot, ban user by ID, WebSocket, VTube, wait. We have all of those functions, but we do not have delete chat message. Twitch. YouTube. Delete chat message, message ID, bot. Okay. YouTube, moderation, ban user, timeout user, user group, set title and description, set title, set description, send message to channel. I'm gonna message my buddy who made the code for me, see if he can help me out. Okay. Where might he be? There he is. Say your Twitch delete message code. Do I replace Twitch with YouTube to be able to delete a YouTube message? I'm live streaming right now and trying to adapt it to YouTube chat. Dang it. Ah, shit. Only works for YouTube apparently. Delete Twitch message, execute code, settings, delete Twitch message. So I know what it is, what it's supposed to do. Save, okay. It was like stream because I'm streaming my own stream setup right now. Okay. So this is, I need to disable this because this is very much a work in progress. Okay. This has no trigger because it doesn't need one. Simplify message. This will treat message. This will run the message through a bit of code that will strip it from zero width character. No, yeah, zero width characters. Stuff that is slid in between two characters without taking any space. because those are used to bypass term filters. So this will strip out of any zero wave characters, and uh, then just output the raw words, the raw text, to be then managed through to put through proper word filter. Like say someone puts out best viewers on, but there is zero wave characters. It's gonna go through this bit of code and then print out best viewers on, then that I can then treat with those uh, those word filters. The first message, I don't need that since it doesn't exist for the context that we are putting it through. Twitch bot detect, simplify message, message simplified. Okay. Bot detect. Um, we're gonna do something. Duplicate this, but detect advanced. Score actions, run action. Simplify message. Okay. This is run here. And then it turns into message simplified. I should not need that. Disable this. Cheers. There is a regex match that I can put in here. So actually, just to be sure, I'm gonna put simplified here. There is a regex match that I can do to duplicate selection to detect any message that contains, say, a first word from a list of words that contains, for example, best, cheap. Um, there is a list of words that has been established and followed then by viewers on, and I just need to find where the hell did I saw that regex match before, and just put it in there, plug it in, and that should work. Since that's not complete, that's not required per se. This one I will keep. So we're going into signal rave prep, so I'll be tab mute lark until we're gonna move to the venue. Okay. Send me a link to the Discord you're gonna be streaming on. I really wanna watch this later on. But have fun! Okay, so I will disable the bot detection. And the bot detection prototype rather than advanced. Chat detect. Good. Chat message. I can't edit this? It doesn't have any criteria? YouTube, chat, message. Oh, okay. Just simply doesn't have any criteria. Interesting. So for this to be tested, we have to check if, for any sort of reason, there is a scam bot that comes in the chat. Remains to be seen. Bot detect, duplicate. I'm gonna make a prototype prototype here as well. If username equals Geekbot, I already have that one. If message contains message simplified, copy subaction, put that here, disable this, copy, paste. Okay, so it does the same thing as it should. Except the first message thing, which is handled by this specifically. Okay. But he answered, looks like there is no way to delete a single YouTube message. The best we can do is ban our timeout using the corresponding selections. Ah, shit. The YouTube chat options allow to delete a message, so I thought it could be handled with streamer bot, even if it required a a chunk of C#. Okay. In terms of commands, I don't know what I should add to the list. External and info. Let's see, help, info external, available commands to run, info external games. Okay. So that does the job. Nothing too weird about that. Info external game, right. I needed to remove games from this one. Since it doesn't fetch the game commands anymore, it only fetches info and external. Info contains the in exclamation point in the exclamation point games commands. And then when those are printed out, it puts out the same thing. Was it? Yeah, indie games. There you have it. I'm gonna save this. Check for updates. No updates. Okay. Check out those indie games. I'm gonna put that in the scroll bar text for the time being. Edit. Save. Yep. I just saw this small hop into the the scroll bar up top over here. So it should be visible in the moments and TTS. Join the Discord. Links to platform, support the arcade, and then check out those indie games. I was wondering if I should add more spacing between two messages, but it looks like it's an acceptable rate of display. Check out those indie games. Cool. I don't know what I will put next. I'm trying to come up with other messages to add some variety. I don't want to stick with those 6, 7 lines. It's pretty limited, you know. And even every now and then I will find, I don't know, some quote, some joke to slid it in between the lines. Not sure what either of those, what any of those will be, but I'm hoping to see them eventually. Ah, crap. We fell back from 10 to 3 subs again. Not because people unsubbed, it's because most of these subs were gifts. Weird. My dashboard says I have 8 subscribers. And I'll figure it out some other time. Let's go back to Touch Portal. I've done some work on event. When a poll begins, when poll progress, initial value off. Okay. Um, button set button state. Set button state to on. Okay. Set button state when poll ends off. Okay. When poll progress should be still on by then, but just to be sure, I will add another one here. Apply, save and close. Copy style, paste style. Text size 16. Copy style, paste style. Also 16. Okay, good. On event, default state off. When the prediction begins. Hi-Fi Rush? Oh, yeah, I just noted that we are listening to the Hi-Fi Rush OST. Set button state. Set button state, set button state. Toggle to on. Toggle to on. Set button state to off. Okay. Save and close. If I update my touch portal. Okay. Should not display ongoing poll. Poll state. Prediction state. CPU use? Why is my CPU used at 93%? That doesn't make any sense. Curious. CPU temperature 90. Let me check the task manager. What is using up my CPU so much? Why the fuck is Firefox using 9 gigs of memory? The fact that Firefox is set to efficiency mode while using 20, 25, 30%, why is it rising at 35% of CPU usage? 9.5 gig of memory. This is wild as fuck. Jeez. I'm gonna have to kill it. I killed Firefox. Okay, I'm sick of this song. Okay. So, uh, set button state to off, an event. Okay. When training point are redeemed for ID, and button state change to off. Okay. Now we've got ads. Okay, I think I know how I'll figure this out. When button state changes, when button begins its button state to on, when button state changes to on, move here. When poll progresses, it doesn't do the button state changes anymore. When poll ends, the button state to off. When button state changes to off. Apply. Save and close. Button. And I move that up. When prediction begins, set button state to on. When button state changes to on, prediction started. When the prediction locks, it changes to this. When the prediction ends, set button state to off. When button state changes to off, no ongoing prediction. Apply, save. So it should be doing the same thing as my TTS button and my iBreak button. Yes, it just updated as intended. I just changed okay, for those who are stuck by the ads, I just changed the logic pipeline of those so they act practically the same as the next ETS and iBreak button in terms of how they display to me, how they run. Now the thing I'm gonna have to do is run a poll, see how it changes. Start prediction, previous prediction, submission period, start prediction, confirm prediction. Got it. Okay, prediction started. It did change the display of the button. That's good. Now, if someone in chat could use the prediction channel, you could run a vote in the prediction for me to see if it updates the status. Prediction locked. Okay. Prediction locked. Where is it? Manage prediction. Choose outcome. Complete prediction. No ongoing prediction. Okay, that finished. And now if I run a poll, new poll, question test, yes, yes. You can see it, but I'm doing something in the uh, Twitch dashboard. I can't do that yet on YouTube. Hopefully someday I will be. Okay. Poll started. It did change the poll state. I can't vote on my own, I think. Poll ongoing, yes. Okay, did change the status to poll ongoing because a vote has been done. And when it ends, it will tell me the poll has ended. Simple as. Event. Another 10 seconds? Even less than that. Test poll ended. Yeah, okay, it changed back to telling me that there is no ongoing poll. Good. Wait for timer. Wait for seconds. I'm gonna add a mid step using default system. Copy, paste. What? What? Copy, paste. Hello? Ah, there it is. Okay. Oh, it copied the whole block. That's why. When poll ends, that button state to off. When button state changes to off. What? Okay, it works. Now it should be how I want it to do. Poll ended. Mm, I'm gonna set it to white and the text to black. Mm, let's run this. Come on. Um, How am I supposed to force this? Set button when poll ends, set button state to off. Let me update my application. Run action. Well, it doesn't seem to be doing what I want it to do. The actions are uh, uh, working as intended, but I can't manually run them for some reason. I have no idea why. This is a good app, but it has hiccups sometimes, unfortunately. Okay, so this worked. I need to reproduce the same thing in prediction state. Copy, paste, white, gray, black, prediction ended. And I need to add a timer for 20, 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 20 seconds should be plenty. Okay. Apply, save and close. So now if I try to rerun a prediction again, got it. Prediction started, good. We're gonna wait for the prediction to end and see how it acts. Prediction ended, so prediction locked. I'm also gonna set it to 16. Actually, scratch that. I'm gonna remove the text size modifiers so that it only goes back to the text size set by default. When the prediction locks, prediction started, prediction start. Text size, apply, save, poll state, text size auto, 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 and auto. Apply, save and close. So since the prediction is locked, if I choose the outcome and complete the prediction, it will show me in white. Holy shit, that's bright. Oh, that's awful, actually. Yeah, okay, I need to remove the text shadow. There we go. Prediction ended for about 20 seconds and no ongoing prediction. Good! It works! It works, fellas. It does what I want it to do. Also, welcome everyone. I see that we have newcomers to the stream. You sound like a math teacher. Well, that's a first. I never would have expected that commentary about my streams before. What do you mean that in a negative way? Do I need to change how I sound? BRB, mute mic, mute Discord. Actions. So we have the BRB. Right, need to copy poll state and prediction state. Copy controls. Poll prediction controls. Paste them. Prediction state. delete, delete, pol state and pols. Okay. Pol status. Prediction state, copy button, paste button, paste button, paste button. Now for the pols, I'm gonna do the exact same. Copy button, pols, paste. I saw even though you were doing equations for a second. Well, in math, depending on the kind of school you go at, you will have to study logics, logic pipelines. I don't remember the exact term, but yes, you have to study how logic is being used in stuff in algorithm. So the like if conditions, if when, if else, condition. I don't. I have a hard time explaining this, but yeah, when you will have to study that in math, depending on the school you go to. So this is what I was doing. I was doing logic, the logic chain of my buttons here, so that it does actions when conditions are met. Pol state and pol 2. Now if I go to the info, pol status, paste. No, crap. Stupid. Copy, controls, info, paste. And now I can take those two, delete them. Good. Now I want to have an indicator that shows me if the ads are running on my deck, but I don't know how to do that on TouchSpartal. Do announcement, play advertisement. You know what? Play advertisement. Let's put that here. What does the default play on pressed? Okay, it changes the state of the button. Are you Russian? No, I'm not. I'm French. I've decided to embrace the stereotypes. Okay, it changes the state button only when the button is pressed and only after running. Oh,
Wazit
hey!
Ya is one of us now.
Thanks for the follow, was it? Appreciate that. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Oh, great news, everyone. Earlier today, I was chatting with someone who seemed to appreciate what I was doing, so they gave me a follow. Too bad it wasn't on stream, but it was my 100th Twitch follow. So we are finally in the above the big 100. I've had several hundred subscribers on my YouTube channel, because I did put out a meme video that did very well and many people subscribed. And since I've picked up streaming on YouTube now and publishing the Twitch VODs on it, at first, for some reason, I did lose a few followers, a few subscribers on YouTube, and then I gained some more. I don't know how the dynamic of people uh, unsubscribing, subscribing works. So, hi Gig, I thought I would check what we're doing. Well, welcome to the stream. You can check out me doing shit on TouchSpartal, and I was earlier on StreamerBot, which is open right there. So I was going through, the bit of code that you gave me for the Twitch delete message, and I was trying to look if there was a way to, you know, change the code into something that I could use to delete a message on YouTube. Because when you go to the YouTube chat as a moderator, oh, does that actually compile? No. Save and compile. Let's see if it does. Precompile and well, it doesn't seem to have complained at all. Compile. Error. Does not contain definition for YouTube delete chat message, and no accessible extension YouTube channel except in the first segment of type CPH could be found. So no, it doesn't. I didn't try to compile before you joined. That doesn't exist yet. Yeah, I figured. Well, here is to hoping that it does. Also, I've been actually, let me change that right now. I have duplicated my bot detection action, and I've made a prototype version that runs your simplify message code and runs it through chip-based viewers. I know there is a regex check that I can run. I saw someone do a regex check to see if there was a list of words, best, cheap, etc., 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 followed with viewers, followed with on, and it checks for those three words, and it matches on that. And I haven't found where that list was, where the initial bit of words was. So I couldn't reproduce the regex match that I was doing, but I already prepared the sub-action in which to plug it in for it to work. So hopefully it will be working as soon as I find where the hell did I read the... Oh, thank you for the
Arthur
follow.
1 is one of us now.
Thank you, Irto. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy yourself with me tonight. As you can see, I'm tinkering on the stream about right now. Let me watch OBS real quick. Okay, OBS is doing good. So yeah, as soon as I find where the hell did I saw the regex string was, I will pop it in and see if it works with the stuff I wanted to do. Yeah. So I've made this prototype version, and hopefully it will work as intended. Although if it doesn't, then it's fine. I'll find another way to do what I wanted to do. But yeah, and trial and error. For the time being, I was working on the poll state and prediction state, and they seem to be working. I ran tests for those two features, and how it's going? It's doing very well. Happy to join. Happy to hear that. Had a nice day. Was tinkering with stuff today, not really stream related, but then later on this afternoon I was not doing much, but I was looking through documentation. What? What did you do? What did you do? Was it? No! Did you get timed out? Oh, I hope you did. Let me see your status. Rules of First rule of Fight Club is not talk about Fight Club. Can you Discord me what did you send? Did you try to run a command? I'm not sure what happened right there. Let me see your status. Message deleted. More. I was talking about what words to ban. Oh, okay. Well, I guess you must have included something that didn't agree with my current filters and it got cheated out. Oh wait, I can literally just check the streamer bot history, action queues, action history, best view filter, bot detect. Mm, 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 mm. Essentially simplified. If you get a list of what you can do something like cheap users. Yes, yes, I was looking for something like this. Well, it would be looking more like, if I get this right, it would be more like cheap, um, best, etc., etc., etc. Plus, I don't know how you do the plus, but plus viewers plus on. Probably viewers and I don't know, something like chatters to have a multi-match. If message simplified. Oh, and add something at the beginning because it's usually at the beginning of the message. Plus match means match the previous character one more time. Okay, so it would be. It's like plus for any number of spaces. What? What do you mean? I need to break out regex 101. Where did I put that? Regex 101. Build, test, and debug regex. Inject C sharp. I disable the flags. Mm, where was my regex bit? I don't find where the bit of regex I had was. But yeah, someone helped me out with that. Couldn't tell you where where it was and how to put it. Best plus viewer. Oh, okay. Okay, I see what you mean. So cheap. Hmm. Yeah, I see what you mean, but I'm not sure this. Hmm. I would want to have a first, term array with the cheap or best or etc. whatever, and then have the space included. Actually, no. Oh, I know. If I go to StreamerBot, SpeakerBot, I should. Voices replacement. Mm, so I is for yes. So I is for insensitive to case. Regex 101. Which one was it? Set reject assumption. Ignore white space. X should. Spaces and text. Okay, so that's not how it works, like I thought it would. Okay, so no, never mind, never on this. But yeah, I is case insensitive, cheap, best, etc. Viewer trailers on. Most, yes. Well, there is a list of words that I know of. I don't know where it is. I'll find out how to do that. At, right, at. With uh, also the auto ban is not a proper ban per se. It's a time it's a timeout for 9999 seconds. Wait, wait a minute. Since your message got heated out, how come you didn't get timed out? Is the timeout too big? Is that why it's um hmm message stripped is reply false is first message false is test. Did you get timed out? Loading. Just test. Okay, so you didn't get timed out. So I should be able to see. Okay, the good news is that the zero width text filter works. Wait, that's from who posted that? That's been sent by Geekbot. God damn it. Just a text, so that must be the previous one. Find cheap viewers my scam site. Okay. Was it 2? Yeah. Oh, I think I may know why. But detect if message contains cheap viewer, do autoban, do autoban. If but the autoban, Twitch autoban, Twitch timeout. You should have told me that you got kicked. Just got deleted, not timed out. Yeah, that's the strange part. It should have. I'm gonna set it to 10 seconds for the time being. Okay, wait a minute. It deletes your message, but it doesn't time you out. What the hell? Pending actions. No, there is no actions pending. Okay. Best viewer filters. Hmm. How does that work? I'm genuinely puzzled by what's happening right now because I have no way to know what deleted the message. Show the action? Yeah, okay. Down ads, does the command try again Twitch APA messaging? You see from the document that you should be able to pass through notification the body of the request and it should ban the user. I don't know. Okay, it's named auto ban, but it's not a ban, it's a timeout. Uh, okay. Bot detect. Best viewer filter. Oh my god. I had this action enabled. This is what runs first. It seems to be the action that runs first. Let me disable this. Okay. I'm gonna disable the trigger as well. Now try to run the message. I just realized I had guess cheap viewers on a scam site. Okay. Okay, that's weird. Hmm. Message stripped. Look at this. Your message doesn't get stripped properly. The output of your code doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Did I miss something? Actually, actions, Twitch bot, simplify message was it? That is. Remove combining characters. What do you mean? I thought it was message simplified. Not message stripped. No, it's everything simplified. Let me see the message stripped. Oh, okay. Copy actions, simplify message, output message stripped, set icon message simplified. Where's message stripped coming from? From the... Honestly, I have no idea. Let me look. Set again, message simplified. Message. Simplify. Simplify char. Homoglyphs. I actually have no idea. You must be assigning it somewhere in your action. Yes. I put message simplified here. Action queue. Message stripped. There is message and message stripped. First message. Message simplified. Yeah. Copy. Get cheap rewards must campsite. Message simplified. Oh! I'm stupid. Never mind. It's because I put the rejects in here. Simplified rejects match. And I need to enable the sub action. I save for good measure. Go ahead, do your thing. Hey, it works! Let's fucking go! You see the small thing that popped out? That's a lot of deleted. 20. Wait, what? 29 messages? Ah, because you got timed out, so yeah, okay, it retrogrades and deletes. I still didn't see what was wrong. Right, no, I got mistaken. Let me explain how I understand it. StreamerBot by default has message and message stripped. Message stripped, I forgot, it's actually natively a variable of StreamerBot. But your message simplified is printed out at the bottom of the list. So that's how I missed it. I thought it was somewhere in the middle, but no, it's at the bottom. So message simplified is used here, and the regex that I made here, yeah, strip remove emotes. Ah, okay, strip remove emotes. Okay. So the regex that I made here it was not in the Twitch bot detect, it was in the YouTube bot detect, and the sub action was disabled. Now it's enabled. Best viewer filter is disabled, so I do not need it. Um, Set group, edit, old. Should be the button. Yes. So bloat reducer, delete Twitch message. That's only for the for the commands. That's to delete the commands. When I don't know if I should have that. I'll keep it just for good measure. And delete Twitch message. Deleted message. Simplify message. Okay, so bot detected YouTube detect. I'm gonna set them to old, and they're disabled anyway, so it doesn't matter. Either Twitch delete timeout or YouTube timeout. Okay, wait, you should be able to use the same action triggered by both Twitch and YouTube messages, but then you need to take different action depending on the message source. Yeah, Twitch. Yes. Well, I could do a. Oh, I know. I know. Let me duplicate this. Chat. Separator plus botgate. Copy subaction. Verbal username. Action simplify message. Oh, I know. It's Oh, I'm stupid. Equals ignore case. So that should Twitch chat message, good. Action simplify message. If message simplified contains have an if else says if events is Twitch and do a Twitch delete action, else do a Twitch timer. I'm gonna put that at bottom actually. How do I do? Wait, actually, enabled, enabled. Oh, I had those. I forgot about that. Okay, rejects match. I'm gonna keep that for the good measure. Clear. Okay. If it matches, it continues. If it doesn't, it breaks. Continue. Clear. Else break. Wait, no. I don't want it to break. Um, Chat filter plus botgate. And duplicate. Chat identifier. Core logic if else. Action queues. Source Twitch chat message. Event source Twitch. Event source YouTube. Yes, okay. Twitch, do Twitch autoban, else continue, then break, else continue, duplicate subaction, YouTube, then do YouTube autoban, and the value that I need to put in there is event source. What do you think of that? That should do the trick, right? If event source equals Twitch, then do chat identifier. Okay. Message check botgate. I'm gonna put the botgate in another action. So this way I can just exclude from history and have it do if username equals ignore case button, do nothing, then break, else do chat, do message check. Okay, botgate, it's gonna be A. Wait, no, botgate is gonna be T1. Wait, no. 1 1. Message check. It's gonna be 1 2. Chat identifier is gonna be 1 3. So the message check doesn't need the bot gate anymore. Those have none. This is excluded from action pending. So this chat identifier is also excluded from history. And Twitch autoban is also excluded from history. YouTube autoban as well. YouTube first message too. So I need to disable these. Is moderator variable applied to my YouTube message as well? That is a good question. I think it does. And my bot is moderator in my channel. Wait, no, not this one. I need to do that in YouTube bot. YouTube message Geekbot is moderator. Yes, 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 it is. Good call on that. That will optimize the function. Modgate. If is moderator equals true. Well, I'm still gonna put equals ignore case, just in case. You never know. Do nothing and then break the action. Do nothing. Action simplify message. Rejects match. An action. Okay. So could you run one of my commands so my bot can reply to you? And we're gonna see if something happens. Oh, TTS is not a TTS command. You must type exclamation point TTS exclusively to explain you how to do that, how to do stuff, how to do the TTS function. Now that I think about it, I don't need to have the bloat reducer in the history, which is ironic because then it would bloat the history. So my bot wants reply to you. I try help. Yes, that's the point. This is the bot bloat reducer action at work right there. Did my crap? The help command did not work. Info help commands help allow all. Yes, everyone should be allowed to use this command. Curious. I don't see why it would delete the message but not reply to you. Okay, so it did reply to me? It didn't delete the message because it cannot delete, the broadcaster's message. But can you run help again? Did getting deleted interfere with the normal working with? No, no, it sure maybe. Um. Oh yeah, I know. Bloat reducer. Command trigger. Because it deletes the message. Info help. Is reply false? It's not that. May yes. Okay. Why didn't it reply to you? Hmm. Event source. False, false, false. Is reply false? It tried to reply to a message that did not exist. So the bloat reducer has to be bloat reducer. I'm gonna disable the bloat reducer. Go ahead, do help again. I'm afraid I must go and run some errands now. Oh, okay, well, see you next time. Thanks for sticking around so long, and thanks for the help. Okay, so you printed the command and it replied to you. Okay, so it deleted the command message before it could reply to it. Okay, that reply was sick? Yes, it was indeed. Now it's healed. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. Um, is reply? Yes. Reply to what? Is there a way to see what message it replied to? No, I understood what you meant, and I just replied in another way. I mean, technically, I'm right. The reply function was sick. I had to heal it. Come on, help. Maybe I should just add the dumb delay. Well, I don't really need the group set group old. Yeah, I think I'm gonna exclude it. Is that AI? No, no, no. This is wait, where is it? Oh, okay. Well, see you. You can catch up on the stream another time, or you can, I don't know, come back some other time. Now that I think about it. Oh no, the question about how is that AI was addressed to that. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I didn't read the full chat, so that's how I got mistaken. So yes, there is something that is run by AI, but the thing I was debugging so far was not. Let me actually fish the stuff. One second. Frosty tools, dashboard. Check this out. So the AI part of my setup is this. This is the only. Yes, I think it's the only thing that's running AI. So Frosty Tools is a nice thing that has timeout, write messages, full scope shoutout, reactive responses. This is disabled because it's a paid feature. Access, so full scope shoutout. Okay. Warm welcomes, reactive responses. Lurker love. Ah, there it is. While enabled, whenever someone sends lurk in a chat, a personal message will return to them based on the vibes of your stream and things they've mentioned recently. Okay. So what did it reply? Thinking a brain to run errands will keep to that run for your return. Nice, nice. Well, I think I'm gonna keep that. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. The one thing I don't get is why it does a mention instead of doing a reply. Because ultimately this is what we would want to have. I'm gonna have to talk with the Frosty Tools people, see if they can edit their function to at least have a toggle to switch between mention and reply. Hmm. Where did they put their Discord anyway? Shouldn't be too far. FrostyTools.com. Feedback. Hello, people. I'm gonna do a capture for them. What? Hello? There it is. Hello, people. I have Frosty connected to my Streams bot account alongside StreamerBot. Now, when people use the lurk command, it does a mention. Could it be possible to have a toggle function to have a toggle between mention and reply? I like to function on a reply system whenever I can, which uh, I've set it like so with a spot to function a reply system. Could be neat to have that as well through Frosty. Okay, hopefully, yes. Streamerbot doesn't seem to be a banned term in a Frosty Tools server. Because it will sound surprising to you guys, but not really that much to me after I've been explained why. But in some Discords, in some streaming tools Discords, StreamerBot will be banned as a term in Discords that I will not name today, not name on stream because I don't want any trouble with them, because they are effectively competitors. I didn't realize on the moment until someone from one of the Discord when I asked why would StreamerBot be banned, as a term, and they told me it was a competitor, and then I was puzzled, so I looked it up, and I didn't realize that their main product, their main tool set was actually something that does exactly what Streamerbot does, but mm, okay, paywalled, but understandably because they do have it's a company. They make tools and they have to pay the devs to make those tools, so that's why it's paywalled, understandably. And honestly, the UI is pretty sick. Regular solicitor style. Chat recaps. Okay. Current style in use. Tap to remove. Mystery Noir. Movie trailer. Newscast update. Poem. Auto share to Discord. Hmm. I'll have to ask the Frosty Tool people if they could add that to the if it was possible to do a streamer bot integration or a YouTube integration through, through a bot account, like so as well. Well, no, that wouldn't make much sense since YouTube doesn't have ads. Well, I can't run ads this. Wait a minute. Does YouTube's live streams even have ads? I have no idea if they do. Hmm. Modgate, message check, chat identifier, Twitch autoban, YouTube autoban. Ban command, YouTube first message. Mm, platforms, Trovo. I wonder if Streamerbot will ever have a Kick integration. Um, Not that I'm very concerned by it. I don't think I'm interested by streaming on Kick, but I heard Nutty talk about um, how he would be interested to stream on Kick if Streamerbot had a Kick integration. So that would be interesting to do that. Wait, why is this speaker bot disabled? Did I close it by mistake? Check for update. None. Ah, there it is. Okay, it's connected to speaker bot now. Good. Mm, let's go back to Touch Portal. Those functions are done. Horizontal text alignment center, vertical text position center, text offset. Transparent background, no. Rounded corners, no. Background color, text color white. text color, background color. Text color. Apply, save and close, pulse state. It doesn't need to have everything included into the button change function, button change action, just enough to know whatever is not included in the change button action is fetched from the pasting. Prediction state copy button, prediction paste button, prediction paste button, prediction paste button. Just to be sure, I'm gonna check if yes. Prediction part control, prediction state paste button, and main page prediction state page button. Pulse state, it should be on actions. No, not actions. Info, pulse state. Yes, okay, changed it already. Copy button. Paste button. Paste button. Paste button. Info. Paste button. Wait. Yes, okay. Main, pulse state, paste button. Now what could I add here? Studio mode. VR tag, drop tag, next TTS. Be right back. Pages. Pages. Apply, save and close, copy button. Wait, no, this one stays as main. I need main, apply, save and close. If I go back to main and I press button and I delete everything here, yes. Okay, it updated on my phone, which is good. So press on pages, it brings me to main. Info brings me to okay, copy button, actions, paste button, audio paste button. I wonder if there is a way to link buttons that are supposed to be matching between every single page. I'll have to ask the main. I'll have to ask the Touch Portal Discord. That ought to be an interesting discussion. Prediction control, Partition 0, partition 1. Shutouts. Yes. Paste button. Switcher 1. Paste button. Switcher 2. Paste button. And if I go back to, I need to get the previous next, copy to selected controls, shutouts, previous, next. Is there any other page that doesn't have previous on next? I don't think there is. Well, pages doesn't need one because it's the hub. Actions, audio, all of them have the, okay. Shoutouts, pages. If I try Zozo. Yes, it worked. Okay. Zozo Oats, login name. I need to test out if the broadcaster ID works. Apply, save and close. Let's see. Need to refresh it. Didn't work. Well, I do not care much for the shout per ID, so for the time being, so that should be good enough. We're gonna see if I can eventually get the ID of the user. I'm trying to function the ID system. Apply, save and close. Because I've seen a couple of the people here have already changed their names. So going by ID, you know, it's not going to change. You know, it's going to be a fixed value. Going to need to disable that. Save, apply, copy, actions, paste, actions, paste, actions, paste, actions, paste, actions. So dex is going to be dex vt. Let me make sure that it's actually the name. Dex underscore vt, apply. Kovu, Kovu. Wait a minute. You have text right there. What's it to you? I'm gonna put a shout out button for what's it because he streams too, I believe. Um, Kovu plays. That's plays TTV. Okay. Applies. So if I try to Kovu, yes, yes, it works. Splendid. Price Mo for Hope. So if I test it, it should work. No. Did I fuck up his name? Let me check. That would be stupid. No, it should be the right name. Did you just not update? Save and close. Let me update my shoutout page. Okay, that's curious. Oh, maybe. No. Kovu is not streaming. Zozo is not streaming. And Prisma is not streaming. So what is differentiating all of them? There should be no difference between all of those channels, unless I massively fucked up something. I Let's not refresh just the page, let's just restart the whole connection. Pages, shoutouts, Prisma. Okay, that's weird. Unless it's on a cooldown, and that's why I can't quote unquote spam shoutouts. Just a game over screen, I believe, is Liam's channel name. Where is... Yes, just a game over screen. Apply, save and close. So if I try to use Liam's button now, okay, it does put a shout out to Liam's channel. And does it work with Dex? Okay, well, maybe I pressed too early for that one. Okay, Dex VT, apply, save and close, Liam, apply, save and close. So that all of these work. Is the shout on shout out received events? When you receive a shout out from another broadcaster, shout out. So I do not have wait. Touch Portal does not have an event in which case uh, the shout out cooldown has passed. Delete. Then documentation. Twitch shout out. Twitch shout out cooldown. Once every 2 minutes. Shadows can be only given to the same persons every hour. Okay, so I need to wait for a while, but after that I should be able to put another shadow. Um, right. Let me see the timer. Chat. Uh, when has it been posted? Crap. I do not have the timestamp for this message, unfortunately. So I can just wait, see if it prints it. Yes, yes, it does. Okay, so it does work. Gonna need a cola cup and shout out cooldown. Text size 16. Count timer. Dynamic text update. Two. Wait for timer. Wait for 2 minutes using default system. Value state, system, date and time, data and custom format. OBS, no. Streamlabs. Value and state. I just have the TTSQ. Utility, touch portal functions, switch on and off, start stop plugin, start touch. Ah, no, don't need that. Value and state, set value. Media functions. Time. Wait for timer, start cancel timeout user. Mm, I need the value of the time remaining on this. And then print it out, then check update button text check to show how much time is remaining on the clock before the next, the next thread out available. Repeat X time. Wait for timer. Delete. Wait for 1 second. Set value. Set value with ID. When the value changes to no, delete. Set value with ID. Local values to 120. Repeat 120 time. Increment value with -1. Dynamic text data. Update button text each cycle to system and value. Local value 1. Okay. Apply. Where's my multi-chat gone? There it is. Okay, shoutout cooldown. On event. Uh, set button state when button state changes. Text. Set source text, replace value. Button, set button state. No, delete. Toggle button state now. And button state changes to off. Page, go to page event, no. This action will change the button, copy, value, info, no, shoutouts. Shout out ready. And I want the text to be black. Actually, no, text color white. Text color black. Background visible, yes. I want it to be white, completely white. Rounded color, yes. Text without any shadow. Where's the text cyan? God damn it. Size 16. I'm gonna trash out everything here. Apply. Update button text to local value. System value and state. And you have the TTSQ? This is weird. I should be able to access the local value stuff. Wait, I don't need to. Copy, delete. Wait, no. Ah, no. God damn it. Background color white, text color black. Shout out ready. And repeat. No, I want the repeat to be there. Wait for copy. No. God damn it. Copy. Paste all copied actions. Cooldown. Local value 01. Red and red. Variant states TTSQ. God damn it. TTSQ plus add a value. So cooldown. Shout out cooldown. Default value 120. Value type number. Save. I'm gonna disable the shadow cooldown, increment value shadow cooldown, plus variant state shadow cooldown. Okay, shadow ready. That's good. Everything seems to be working right now. I'm gonna disable this. Apply. Save and close. Pages, shadow ready. On event. Oh, right, I know what event to change it to. State. When button state changes to on. Value of ID 120. I'm gonna delete this. When button state changes to on, repeat 120 time, wait for 1 second, decrease by 1. Okay. Initial value off. When button state changes to off, set button state to off after the repeat. Shadow ready. Apply. Save. Now I need to switch this button state to on at the start of another button. Set button state. Set button state. Button I. Oh, okay. Set button state to on. Apply. Save and close. Copy ID. Paste. Apply. Save and close. So, if I got that right, god damn it. Would you stand here, you damn stupid phone? So pages, shout out, and I do a shout out to Zozo. Okay, didn't do the shout out for some very strange reason. Hmm. Oh, because, right. Zozo, Kovu, Liam. Okay. I can't shout out Zozo again. Shout out can only be given to the same person once every hour, and it hasn't been an hour since. So I just have to copy this action, copy, put it onto Dex, apply, save and close. So if I shout out Dex, it's on cooldown for the time being. I'm gonna wait for the countdown can and cooldown to end. And I'm gonna do the same action, but for a full hour. Um, for all of these, since I can't do a shutdown in the same hour, you know. Another 12 seconds. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and copy all of it here. Oh, now I have a problem. Hmm. If I no, I can't edit that row. Set value. Set value with ID. Ah, god damn it. I would need to have uh, a value pair button. That's annoying. Okay, well, first let's see if the shoutout button works. If the shoutout cooldown works. So I'm gonna shout Dex. It did shoutout Dex, and it started the what the fuck? Oh, it didn't reset the value. When button state changes to off. Okay. Set value should have cooldown to 120. Apply. Save and close. Okay, so it does work as intended. Set button state to on. So that's an ID. Set value with ID. God damn it. Should have cooldown. Local values. Can I use that? Values, events, no. Well, I don't want to have one value paired than quest. I need a value that exists only for the time being. As StreamerBot has them. I need a non-persistent value. I have persist globals, non-persist globals, persist users globals, non-persist users. I need a non-persisting value for each button. Now, how do I achieve that? Set button state, button state changes. Set value, URL content to value. So when value changes, set begin state changes. Value. Clipboard to value. Store content of clipboard, no. Set value. URL content to value. Download content from URL into no. When value changes, when plugin state changes, no. Change capitalization of, oh, okay, that's for text treatment. That's not fine. Should value of ID. Let's open the documentation. Let's see what they tell us. When plugin value changes, get URL content and signed value. Set value to. This section allows you to change what the value is. The value object changes. The new value of the object should hold. Creating a new value. Well, I don't want a new value. Mm, send value ID. Well, it seems like I don't have a choice. Well, thankfully it doesn't seem to be that complicated, but if I had to do and save it changes, send value ID. Increment value, okay. And a value, Zozo cooldown. Zozo cooldown. Default value 36. Value number save. Duplicate. Ah, right. Delete, yes. And a value. There's Liam. Cooldown. Default value 3600. Value type number. And a value. I should probably replicate the pattern. Delete. CD Prisma, okay. And the value. CD Zozo. Cooldown Zozo. Default value 3600. Value type number. Save. Add a value. CD Liam. Name cooldown Liam 3600. Value type number. And a value CD Kovu. Name cooldown Kovu. Default value 3600. Number CD Dex. Dex 3600. Value type number. So pages. Zozo. Event. When button state changes to on. Local value cooldown Zozo, cooldowns, no, not price mode, that's CD Zozo. and then set value to 3600. If I remove, okay, I'm gonna change that to this and try with 3 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Apply save value, the value, our name, our default value 3600, number, save, page 00, event, to value state, hour. Set value to hour, repeat hour time. Well, right now I need to set it to 3. Repeat 3 times. Wait for 1 second, -1. Apply, save. So if I press the Zozo button, doesn't do anything. God damn it. On event section, we change the button to text cooldown 0. Shadows. Serial ID cooldown 0 to well, let's set it to 12. Repeat 12 times. Wait for 1 second. -1 and repeat. When button state changes to off, button state to on. I need also to change the button state of the button. God damn it. Button set button state to on. Right. So it does trigger the cooldown for 10 seconds. And then it should come back to... Okay, it doesn't change the text. So I need to keep that section. Button text accept, save and close. So when pressed, it resumes the cooldown sequence. And button state off. Okay. Okay, it does what I want it to do. So now I can set it back to our value and state, our repeat, our time, value, city Zozo, current values, current Zozo, 1 hour. Set value and state to off. Apply, save and close. Okay. Copy, paste, apply, save and close. Paste, apply, save and close. So that's for the preset function. Delete, yes, apply, save and close. Copy, yes, and this one will go to Liam. Cool down Liam. Liam. Apply, save and close. Event, yes. Price mo. Price mo. Price mo. Text price mo. If statement. If this button state is equal to off. As a safety measure, I don't want it to be able to be pressed while it's running. Koru, yes. Koru, 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 and Koru. There is probably a better, more efficient way to do what I'm doing right now, but for the time being, this is good enough. After manually setting up the ones that I've already created, I can just copy and paste the profile, and it works just as good. If this button state is equal to off, then it does the thing that I want it to do. I can just delete the section. Apply and show. Apply and close. Price mo, apply and close. Delete. Delete. There we go. Last one. I doesn't paste over it. Okay. Apply and close. And now I can duplicate this, copy button, paste button, and I can make just X X. Mm, when the button state changes to on. I'm dumb. I forgot about something else. Ah, shit. I'm gonna just fix that here. At least it's one thing that I can change quite easily, so it's not too much trouble. Local value 0, and I'm guessing it was something like that. I don't know. I don't care right now. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. If on value states. Shit. If shadowed cooldown, button state is off. Set button state to. No, can't do that. Hmm. Shadowed cooldown, shadowed state. So cooldown, so state. Shout out state. Default value. Um, value type text and that time. Text. Default value. Ready. Save. If statement. Boolean state. Road state is equal to ready. Apply. Copy. When button state changes to on, value, set value. Shadow state to busy. When button state changes to off, set value ready. Apply. Copy. Yes. Copy, paste. Shadow state ready. Apply. Shroud state, shroud state, shroud state, shroud state. So that this way it only works if the shadow cooldown is available. If it's not, it won't do anything. It won't launch the cooldown of the shadow of those shadow buttons. But yeah, that's a problem. I really need a persistent value, a non-persistent value. If I can set have a value repeat times. Hmm. Set value cooldown 0. Cooldown 0. What the hell? Cooldown Zozo. So to 1 hour. Can I have this button on hard? No. Set button state. Second button state, set button state by ID. When button state changes, set value. It has to be a value with ID. It cannot be a non-persistent value. This is very annoying. Let me see. Where is the Touch Purple Discord? That is support. Journal chat. Hey people, how can I have a value per button without how can I set value without it being per ID? Something that sticks with the button. Something non-persistent. The hell? Mm, well, we've made good progress so far, so that's really cool. We have the initialization of the value. We have the loop to show the cooldown. Change state off, then it changes back to normal. We have the condition in which if there is a shoutout send ready, we can use the button. If it's not, it doesn't do anything. If the shoutout send is ready and I haven't shoutout this person in the, if this button stays off, oh, cooldown Zozo is not equal to our. Hmm. Is it overkill? I think it's overkill. Show shadow, no. Apply. Wait. Liam, Prismo, Kovu, Dex, X. Disable the shadow. Having a shadow. Why is shadow enabled by default? That's what the thing I don't get. It's ugly as hell. Hmm. Show shadow. Shadow is disabled both here and here. Pages, shutouts. That is super weird. Oh, okay, it fixed itself somehow. What? Snap? The hell? Copy a snapshot of this button to your clipboard. Okay. And if I try to paste whatever's in my clipboard. That's so cool! Holy shit! Okay. For anyone who ever uses Touch Portal, if you click this, copy a snapshot, it will copy the contents of on pressed and even on hold, it will show every action that's available in a very, very neat format. When you try to paste them in, actually, let me see if I can show you guys how it looks like, because it's really, really cool. One second. It's in my clipboard, so I have to put it out. Copy link. Browser tools. Look at this. Touch portal button index unpressed on event. And it shows what it is, what is inside. It's amazing. Wow. This is great. It's such a massively awesome feature. Because with this you can make tutorials and shit. You can show how stuff works. Oh, this is brilliant. I've never been amazed at a feature like this before. No, it's more accurate to say I've never seen a feature that amazed me like that before. If you want to share previews of your stuff, you can of course export the whole page, but yeah, instead of doing that, you can just capture how the button works and show it to someone who can then help you figure out how to fix it without having to send the whole page file that may or may not be compatible with your or their plugins. You can export the entire button too. Hi, Walnashed! Welcome back. It's been a while since I've seen you around. Yeah, I know you can export the entire button. I was uh well, this is. Oh, hey, hello there. Welcome to the stream on YouTube's side. Welcome, Ed. Sorry if I didn't notice you. I had OBS shut down for a while. Shut down in reduced position. Wolfnash, yes, life still going on. Sorry to hear that. Well, hopefully you're doing okay. I'm gonna change the music because this one is hurting my brain. Ed, if you're wondering where the music is, it's because I'm only playing it on Twitch side because I don't want to get copyright strike. Wolfnash rather surviving? Yeah. Well, at least you're surviving. That's let's keep focusing on the positive. What I am cooking, Ed, is that I'm working on buttons for my Stream Deck. Well, it's not a Stream Deck, it's a Touch Portal. It's an application that you can install on Android and on iOS, and it does basically everything Stream Deck is able to do. It's a little bit more technical, but it has just as many features without having to buy, a Stream Deck or paying a subscription to Elgato. Value events. Do you happen to know, Wolfnatch, how to have a value that is non-persistent, that is only valid within the button? Because I don't want to have a value with ID. I want to set value and then just give it a name that is persisting to the button, but not to the entirety of the software. I believe it's only global vars. Ah, shit. Do you know if there is a plugin that allows me to have non-persisting values? Let me change the music. I don't like this one either. Pokemon Remix, lol. Not that I know of. I can poke around and double check. Yeah, if you could check that for me. I don't know where to even find Touch Portal plugins. I assume they have a page for that? Marketplace. Oh, wait. Marketplace, plugins. Oh, never mind. Control Discord with Touch Portal, Mutant Defen, Spotify voice meters, Open Hardware Monitor. Oh, that's interesting. I may get that one. Win Tools. Soundpad. I think I have Soundpad. Store. Soundpad. I have it on wish list. Mm, yeah, I think I'll buy it. Well, not right now. I'll do the purchase later on. Soundpad, interesting. Okay, I'll put that on a notepad. We have a speed test plugin for Touch Portal. That's new. I bought it from their page directly. You mean Soundpad? Yeah. Okay. YouTube Music Desktop. Oh, Pocket Arrow. Nice. Basic volumes like volume up or down, pause, able to show current sing artwork anymore. If any need help installing, just ping me, Boss. Okay. More information. Is that compatible with the Killer Boss? I think he made YouTube Desktop. Repositories. OTM SDK. Yeah. It's a YouTube Desktop. Wait, no. OTM Desktop. Yes. Yes, he worked on that. Wait a minute. Is that the... It would be amazing. I think it's the one that's compatible with my packaging status. OTM Desktop 2.5, 2.2, 2.1. Yes, it's the plugin that works with my with my instance of YouTube Music Desktop. Oh, that's great. How lucky of me to find this at random like this. It's amazing. I'm gonna note that as well. Weather, Streamlabs, Window Mover, Steam Front plugin, Time Zones, Govee, MIDI, StreamerBot. A plugin to control StreamerBot. I think that's the one I have. Pidgesco. I don't remember if that's the one I have. Minecraft stats, hardware monitor, Clownfish changer, voice mode, TP iTunes, smart things, advanced hold. Corsair IQ, keyboard and mouse. Get touch portal to react and keyboard and mouse events. Elite Dangerous. Restream. Control your restream through touch portal. Interesting. Google Play Music. Trovo Live. Hyperate. Fuba Open Sound Control. YouTube Live. Control your YouTube live stream using touch portal. Get live stream stats like total viewers. I can have those on touch portal. That's good. I only have the stats for for Twitch. Yeah, those are for Twitch. I'll need to get one of those for Twitch for YouTube. Get place. OBS portal. Okay, those are for pages. They are not plugins. Minecraft stats. Search for more assets. Okay, we can't download them from here. Can see about okay. Little keylight. Yeah, we can't download them from here. Unfortunately, we have to go through the website. OBS portal free Discord page. Yeah, okay. Search portal, calculator, mute deck. All of this very, very interesting. I'll have to have a deeper look at the available plugins and see what I can get out of them. I got my stats on one button. I can view them as a glance. Yeah, I know there is a viewer, follower, and subscriber count. Viewer, follower, and subscriber count on event. Console. Apply, save and close. Chatters, an event. Chatter count, apply. Okay. It looked cleaner on my configuration. Sure. Streaming. Do you know what are the variables that I can get? Subscriber, Twitch, stream time. No, doesn't work. Damn it. Ads? Yeah, unfortunately. That wouldn't happen if you had a subscription. Stream session, maybe? No, stream session time? Maybe it's something obvious like that. No, it doesn't work. Well, it's fine. I'll figure out how to fix that eventually. Text size. Let's try 22. Ah, fits just fine. Excellent. Unpressed, nothing. Add status. Wait, streaming time, that's for streaming. OBS time. Cancel. I can get the OBS data. I can't get the Twitch data, but I can get the OBS data, so that's fine. I'm gonna have to reduce the size though, so everything can fit. Yes. Streaming. Save and close. Okay, chatters. Mm, how about 24? Can even 26? 24 it is then. Excellent. Also, I have been hard at work on my YouTube channel. I am dual streaming now. Haha. I have many new tools. Um, yeah, I have many new tools like, Touch Portal. I have many new pages on which I can display stuff. Wait, no, not the subscriber page. Save and close. Okay. Make sure to view the page on device. It'll look different. Yeah, no, I have the page right now. It's open right now. I have a straight preview. It's slightly tighter at the edges of the button up and down, but it fits just fine in the square. I would love to have another one that shows me the state of that status. Delete button. I don't need that. Copy button. Paste button. Twitch. Wait, what? Oh, right. Before I change everything, yeah, I was saying I have many new pages. I have my main pages. This is the legacy one of sorts. I have a page action that needs to be worked on and needs many things. I have audio toggles. I have 3 pages of audio toggles. Those 2 ones are empty. They just generic ones that need to be edited in. You have the info page, you have the page selector, the main that launch back to the primary one. You have the polls. For now, they're empty. I don't have anything to put in there. You have the poll and prediction control center. So this ends the poll, this logs the prediction, and then I can answer which prediction happened, depending on whatever I set. You have the prediction center. You have the shutout page that I was working on just earlier before you came in. I have the scene switching page, Project Wingman, Steam VR, etc. Full monitor, window, yada yada. And as you can see, can be really readily duplicated. Duplicate page, 2, up. Come on. Okay. Switcher 1, apply. Switcher 0, copy button. Switcher 1, paste button. Head to switcher 2, apply, 7, close. There we go. Just created a new page. And all of these have to be updated. It sets the scene and then it runs the streamer bot related actions to it. Like, allow me to show you. Let's say I want to stream Tarkov. Okay, so it's gonna set OBS into Tarkov, and then it's gonna run the streamer bot related action, which is manual triggers. It's here. Switch to escape from Tarkov. So it's gonna change the channel game on Twitch to escape from Tarkov. It's gonna remove the VR tag. is gonna put this redeem function in queue mode, and it's gonna. I don't think there is any drops on anymore. I think the drops campaign has ended, so I'm gonna switch it to drop off. So yeah, it runs a preset of action that I can manually. Uh, these do not have to be changed often. Like the only one that I have to change everyone and then would be drop when there is a campaign. If there isn't, uh, yeah, it's just things like that. This is a manual toggle. This is something that was on my action page. See close. Let me show you. Yeah, VRTag. This is a manual switch to remove add back the tag button. Use a couple of icon packs to make my buttons a little measure to identify the glance on TP. Well, on mine it's just text. I don't really need any icons since it's, I just have a glance and it shows me the how it should look like. Though, okay, those are arranged as it is right now, but on my end they are not. They show a gray square with no ongoing prediction because there is no prediction ongoing. Simple as. It's really basic stuff. I'm trying to automate to have a single stop preview of what is happening on Twitch, what is happening on YouTube. Well, I'm not nowhere near YouTube yet. For, Touch Portal doesn't have any YouTube integration as far as I'm aware. Settings, OBS, Twitch. Yeah, no, it doesn't have any YouTube integration. So I'm doing everything through StreamerBot. For due to the way I know how to do things, Streamer with the StreamerBot plugin to Touch Portal allows Touch Portal to communicate with StreamerBot, but does not allow. But StreamerBot doesn't have any integration to speak back to Touch Portal, so I'm limited in what I can do. I can do enough. I can do more than enough. But yeah, I'm limited in a number of things. Eventually, I will find out how to do the things I'm trying to do. But I'm really pleased with my setup so far. It's really, really complete. I have all the things I really want to do. Um, Info, switcher, poll predictions. Uh, can you have StreamerBot send data to final touchpad? Yes, yes, I could, but I figured that it would be Uh, it would require me to. No, no. I know it's. I know it works. I know it works. I've done it, but it's kind of fiddly. It would have to print the data exactly how it should be worked on. I would have to have a lot of those files. If it's not a lot of files, it's a lot of lines. I'm gonna try to ask the guy who handles Touch Portal if he can have change things on his side of the plugin to see if it could read stuff from Touch Portal from StreamerBot. If not, I'm gonna ask the StreamerBot people if they can add Touch Portal as an integration to send back information to it. Maybe even have them have the touch portal dev and have the streamer bot dev talk together to work on an integration. That would be really cool. But yeah, I've been working on that thing here. Shadow state busy? Why is it busy? It should not be. Shadows, shadow ready. Values, page, shoutouts, shoutout cooldown, an event. A custom written plugin would work too, but it would be a lot of coding. Yeah, and I don't do code. I have no idea how to do that stuff. Set value ID with shadow state to ready. When button state changes to off. Do you figure what part of this could forbid the set button state to off to do that? I don't know if I can coding to write a plugin that will worth anything. Yeah, me neither. Best I can do is probably fix syntax and figure out the logic pipeline. I've done coding before. I can do stuff, but I'm nowhere near enough knowledgeable to do what we're talking about here. Unpress their toggle to button state. No, it's not a press button. It's this button shall not be pressed. It's an event. Um, okay, here is what happens. This is a shoutout button. If shoutout state is equal to ready, okay, it checks if the shoutout cooldown button here is on ready state. Okay, yes. Then it checks if this button is on cooldown or not. If it's not on cooldown, it sends a shoutout, set button state for button ID to on, and set button state to on. So we don't care about it. We just care when button state to ID is on. So it does that. So it changes the button state to on, set value to shoutout state to busy, repeat 20 times because there is no wait for timer. We don't have a timer to wait for stuff, and yeah, I have to do that. Wait for to default system increment value. Change buttons. Set button state to off, and when it turns to off, it's supposed to do that and set value shadow state to ready. And for some reason, shadow state is set to busy right now, and I don't know why. I really couldn't tell you why it does that. I figured I'll need the R since it will be on for the entire duration of the... I'm gonna send you a DM in Discord with a link to a place of drawing for a variable dilemma. It might work for you. Okay. Let's see what you found. DNA script engine. Okay. Uh, yeah. Complete standalone, multi-threaded JavaScript environment, touch portal. Displaying a very description using a JavaScript. One-liner expressions. Scripts. I have a massive headache right now, and honestly, it's already 50 past midnight, so I believe we're gonna end the stream there actually. Thanks for the link. I will look deeper into this tomorrow, but for the time being, we are going to raid someone. I don't know who yet. It has been a very, very productive stream. I did lots of stuff on StreamerBot and Touch Portal. Uh, let's see who we're gonna raid. Let me see that. Who is available for raiding? I'm gonna make some food and get ready to stream myself. Oh, okay. Let's see. We have Rue, Super with Zozo, Kovu, and Zarom. We're gonna raid Rue. Very well then. Alright, strap in people. We're gonna raid Rue and I will see you hopefully tomorrow. I don't know if I will be streaming tomorrow. I guess we'll see. Peace people. See you.